On this video, I'm going to show you a new unlimited arbitrage platform that you can make up to $100 on a daily basis. And also, I'm going to show you everything you need to know about this platform and how you can take advantage of it now that it's new. So before I proceed, if you have any question regarding this video, you just have to let me know on the comment section below, and within 24 hours you will get a positive response. But you can send me those questions on Twitter at simplydmo for the most effective way we can be communicating, and you will get a response instantly. So with that being said, make sure you like this video and subscribe to this channel for more free informative content like this. And also join the Telegram community to get quick updates and engage with new members. Now, this platform where you can carry out this unlimited arbitrage transaction is known as Neswap. And if you have been following me for a while, you will notice that from the interface, this platform looks similar to the other platform, which I will not mention its name. And taking a deep dive on it, you will discover that this Neswap is a clone of this SwapNext.io. And from our past experience, we know what happened to swapnext.io. So with that, make sure you watch to the very end, because I'm going to share my honest experience, everything I encounter on this website, and if you have to use this website or not. And also, I'm going to give you some secret details we miss on swapnext.io. Now, what this platform does is basically simple, and it says yes, multifunctional arbitrage trading platform. This platform performs arbitrage transaction using two methods, the manual method and the automated method, whereby you don't need to perform any transaction. The AI robot will perform the transaction for you, and all you just need to do is to deposit and to withdraw after the given period of days. And remember that the automated mode is associated with plans. That means there are investment plans associated to the automated mode. And from what you can see that the beginner mode, which is active and free for everyone, has a manual order per day of 0.7% profit. And the available exchange is 15 exchanges that is available for trading, whereas the trading pace is 20. Now, before I proceed, you need to take into consideration that I'm not the owner of this platform. I'm just making an overview and a review on this platform. So the decision of you using this platform should come from you alone, and you should make further research before investing on anything crypto online, as I am not your financial advisor. So basically, Neswap is an arbitrage trading platform, and you know what arbitrage means. An arbitrage is taking advantage of crypto prices by buying it from one exchange at a lower price and send it to the other exchange and sell for a higher price, and the price difference is your profit. And that is what Neswap does. They perform all the arbitrage transactions in one settings. So you don't need to have an account with other exchanges. You just have to have one account, which is Neswap, that manages all the transactions for you. Now, the way this company make money to keep the system running is from the charges they make from users withdrawal. And from your dashboard, when you come to this about section, you'll be able to see that this says they provide trader with a smart platform for multiple cryptocurrency exchange operation, and you can easily buy a coin from one exchange, then you send it to the other exchange and sell it at a higher price, and you take advantage of the price difference as an arbitrage opportunity. So all you just need to do is to get started using the link below, and when you click the link below, it will take you to this sign up section, whereby you just have to input your username and input your email address. Then you put a password by which you will use to access your account, then confirm the password, and your upline, which is your referral code, will automatically display here. Then you click on email verification, then you sign up, and within 2 minutes of signing up, your account will be open and you'll be able to access your dashboard, just as you can see. So from your dashboard, the first thing to do is to set up your account properly. You just have to navigate to this settings section. You just have to click on it, and on this section you'll be able to see your profile, your password, and everything about your account. And when you take a close look on your right, you'll be able to see this option that says two-factor authenticator. So you will need to install two-factor authenticator, which is Google Authenticator, to authenticate your account. And without the authentication, you cannot perform any transaction on this platform. So you can either copy this key, then paste it on your Google Authenticator, or you scan it directly, then automatically it will be synchronized. So what I will do is basically simple. I will just got to click on this icon, then input my Google Authenticator code from my Google Authenticator on my mobile phone, then click on this icon that says I have backed up and stored my Google Authenticator key, then click save, then wait for it to load up. And you can see that Google Authenticator succeeded, and with that your account is secured and it is ready for transaction. So the next thing to do after you set up your account properly is to deposit. And for you to do that, from your dashboard, you just have to navigate to this wallet section and automatically be able to see that these are all your wallet addresses. And you can see that I already deposited $120, and upon depositing $120, I got free 5 USDT on this platform. And this 5 free USDT is for new users. That means by the time you register with my link below, you'll be able to get 5 free USDT when you deposit at least $30. So from your wallet, you can decide to deposit TRX, which is on the TRC20 network, or USDT TRC20 network, which I used to deposit, or you can also deposit BNB on the BIP20 network. So for my own case, I would recommend you go for deposit using TRC20 network or BIP20 network, you understand? Now remember, the crypto you deposited is the same crypto you will use to trade. So before depositing, you must decide the crypto you want to use to trade. So if you want to deposit, you just have to click on this account recharge. Then you'll be able to put the amount at which you want to deposit. So let me just say 50, then click on top up, and your wallet address will display. So you just have to copy it. So you just have to send 50 USDT to this wallet address you copied. And if you deposit more than $30 or $30 at the exact, you are going to get this free 5 USDT, which is withdrawable. The next thing to do is to start trading. And for you to start trading, you just have to go through your dashboard or go to the trading section directly. And from this trading section, you'll be able to see these two modes, which is the manual mode and the automated mode. Now, while using the manual mode, all the transaction is done by you, and you are going to get between 0.3% and 0.7% of your profit. So now when you scroll up a little bit, remember the crypto you deposit is the same crypto you will use to trade. And by the time I click that, you'll be able to see that the total balance I have is now reflecting on this amount section, you understand? So I just got to click on create order. So what I will recommend and what I'm going to do is to click on this automated mode, then go to the auto mode, and on this auto mode, all the transaction is done by the AI robot. But take note that the minimum days, since it's automated, you need to give the robot some days for it to calculate properly. So the minimum day is 10 days. That means when you trade using the automated mode, you don't have access to your fund for 10 days before the capital and the profit will reflect back to your wallet for you to withdraw. And you can see that for 10 days, you are going to get 7% of your capital. So after taking that into consideration, the next thing is to click on this crypto, which is half balance on the order book. And you can see that I have 120 USDT. So I'm just going to click on USDT, you understand? Then you'll be able to see the amount which I want to use. But since I want to use 10 days, I'm not going to use the total amount, you understand? So I want to make multiple trades and show you a withdrawal. So I'm just going to impute 40 USDT, which I'm going to use for this transaction. And you'll be able to see that it is on the TRC20 network. And from the plan, you'll be able to see that it is either 10 days. So I'm just going to click on select. Then you'll be able to see that the 10 days plan is now highlighted. Then the next thing to do is to click on create order, and you can see that order created successfully. So when I scroll down, you'll be able to find the open order, and you can see that it says auto trading list. You can see that it is 10 days, and you'll be able to see that my available balance is now 85 USDT. Now if you know you are getting any value from this video, make sure you show it by liking this video and subscribe to the channel for more free informative content like this. And also let me know on the comment section below what you think about this platform, if it's worth using. Now the next thing to do is to withdraw your funds, and for you to withdraw, you just have to come back to this your wallet section, and you'll be able to see that my balance is now 85 USDT. So for you to withdraw, you just have to navigate to this withdraw icon, then click on it and wait for it to load up. And you'll be able to see that it says enter your unique address. And take note, to withdraw funds you need to connect 2FA to your account. This is a necessary protection measure. You can install Two-Face here, but since you have already done that, you don't need to take that into consideration again. You just have to paste your address you copied, then you just have to impute the amount, and you can see that the minimum amount you can withdraw is 2 USDT, you understand? So you just got to impute the amount, which is 85 USDT, and you can see that upon putting the amount at which you want to withdraw, they're going to charge 1.27 USDT, and I'm going to get 83.725 USDT. So after imputing the Google Authenticator code, you just got to click on withdraw, then wait for it to load up. and you'll be able to see that your withdraw cash successfully. So upon waiting for my withdrawal to be successful, when you come to this recommendation, you'll be able to see that this section is where you can get your referral link, and by referring people to this platform you earn commission. That means you earn 30% from your direct referrals and 6% from the referrals your referrals bring. And you can take advantage of this referral program even without depositing on this platform. So with that, I'm just going to wait for some minutes to see when this transaction is successful. Then I come back and give you my final remark and tell you what I think about this platform and if you are to use it or not. Now, after waiting for several hours, I got a notification on my email from Binance that says 83.725 USDT is now available in my Binance account. Now, when I go to my Neswap account and scroll down, you'll be able to see the recent transaction which I did, and it is 85 USDT. And when you look closely, the date says 17th of October and the time is 20:41:50. So between 8:40 on the 17th of October and 10 AM on the 18th of October, you will discover that this transaction took several hours for it to reflect. And from what I can see, I will not be using this platform that much. So what I have to tell you is that taking a look on this platform, you will discover that this platform looks exactly like its brother Swapnex, just as you can see. And taking a deep dive on it, you will discover that this Neswap is a clone of this Swapnex.io. And from our past experience, we know what happened to Swapnex.io. So with that, since I care for my community, I will not recommend anybody to use this platform, but you can take advantage of it if you want to. But from my experience, I was not satisfied, so I cannot be convinced. When I come to my dashboard and click on About Us, you will discover that all the write-up is the same as Swapnex, and there is something I saw that gave it red flag. So when you scroll down to the team section, you'll be able to see that they claim that this is the founder, Roselle Wilson and Lee Williams. Then I tried to copy this image, then open another new tab, then go to Google image to try to search if they are the really people. When I click on it, click and drag, you'll be able to see that Google will synchronize with search related image. So let me just click on find image source. Then you'll be able to see that this image, it's related to Steve Nazareno State. I don't really know if they are saying the truth that this guy is a real founder, you understand? When you come back to the team, you'll be able to see that there's no option or room for you to contact them. And when you click on contact us, it will take you to the contact section whereby they claim that their office is on this number 12 Valley Bandit, Australia, and their company name is this. So technically it's a registered company. So when you copy the address and search it, you'll be able to see that there is nothing like that, you understand? The location is correct, but their company is not showing on Google Map. So that means they are claiming to be on a location whereby you can't even find them. So probably the only means for you to contact them is by going through Telegram, which is absurd because any customer support that is on Telegram might block you anytime, any moment, and there's nothing you can do about it. And when you check their privacy and policy, you'll be able to see this option that says Neswap offers no guarantee of income on neswapwebsite.com, and they says that they do not hold any responsible for any loss or damage to any user, you understand? So technically, you using this platform, you are on your own, and this website can crash anytime because it's not automated, despite the fact that they claim to be automated. So with this few points of mine and my own experience, I think you using this platform is left for you, so you can decide to use it or not. So with that being said, let me know in the comment section below what you think about this platform, if you are to use it or not, and also share your experience on the Telegram community, which I'll put the link on the video description below. So with that being said, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel for more free informative content like this. And as you already know, I'm DMO, so thank you for watching and see you on my next video.